Introducing the Xiaomi 16 Pro Mini, the compact powerhouse that's redefining what a flagship smartphone can be in a smaller frame. In a world where smartphones are getting bigger and bulkier, Xiaomi brings back the joy of pocketable devices without compromising on power, features, or style. Despite its mini tag, the 16 Pro Mini packs all the cutting-edge tech and innovation you'd expect from a top-tier flagship, wrapped in a sleek and ultra-lightweight design that fits comfortably in one hand. At the heart of this device is the Snapdragon 8's Gen 3 processor, a chip designed to deliver flagship-grade performance while maintaining excellent energy efficiency. Whether you're diving into graphic-heavy mobile games, juggling multiple apps, or using real-time AI features like live photo enhancement or voice transcription, this chip handles it all without breaking a sweat. Paired with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, the Xiaomi 16 Pro Mini ensures blazing fast read, write speeds, and silky smooth performance across the board. The display may be compact at 6.36 inches, but it's anything but ordinary. Xiaomi uses a top-of-the-line AMOLED panel that supports a 120Hz refresh rate, Dolby Vision, and HDR10+, bringing content to life with rich colors, deep blacks, and ultra-responsive touch feedback. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or simply scrolling through apps, the visual experience is immersive, vivid, and refined, all within a compact chassis featuring ultra-thin bezels and Corning Gorilla Glass protection. When it comes to photography, Xiaomi doesn't cut corners here either. The 50MP Leica-engineered triple-camera system is designed to deliver studio-quality results in every shot. Thanks to advanced computational photography and Xiaomi's partnership with Leica, you get true-to-life color reproduction, fine detail even in low light, and cinematic tone mapping. The main sensor is accompanied by an ultra-wide lens and a telephoto or portrait sensor, making it versatile enough for landscapes, close-ups, and high-zoom shots. On the front, a high-resolution selfie camera ensures your portraits, vlogs, and video calls look sharp and flattering. Despite the compact size, battery life is impressive. The Xiaomi 16 Pro Mini houses a 4,700 mAh battery that lasts all day with ease, whether you're working, watching content, or traveling. And when it's time to recharge, 90W HyperCharge support gets you from 0 to 100% in just around 30 minutes, ensuring minimal downtime. That's flagship-level charging in a phone that fits in your pocket. Xiaomi also includes all the premium extras that you'd usually only find in high-end devices. There's IP68 water and dust resistance, making the phone durable and reliable in all conditions. The in-display fingerprint scanner offers secure and lightning-fast unlocking. Dual stereo speakers deliver loud and immersive sound with high-res audio support, and the X-axis linear motor provides strong, refined haptic feedback for a premium touch response. On the software side, the device runs on HyperOS, Xiaomi's latest skin based on Android 15. This refined interface delivers smoother animations, improved battery optimization, and tighter integration with Xiaomi's AI features, smart home devices, and ecosystem. From smarter camera controls to adaptive brightness that learns your usage, everything feels tailored and seamless. Whether you're a tech enthusiast who prefers a smaller phone, a creative looking for a premium camera setup, or someone simply tired of bulky smartphones, the Xiaomi 16 Pro Mini is designed with you in mind. It proves that compact can still be powerful, stylish, and packed with everything you need in 2025. Small in size, huge in capability, the Xiaomi 16 Pro Mini is the pocket-sized flagship that delivers without compromise.